How does the IRS process an amended tax return? Imagine realizing you made a mistake on your tax return after you've already filed it. What happens next? When you file an amended tax return with the IRS, it's a process that helps correct errors or update information from your original filing. This is especially important in legal or financial matters where accuracy is key. To start, you need to use Form 1040X, which is the official form for amending individual income tax returns. Gather your original tax return and any new documents that support the changes you want to make. These could be corrected W-2 forms, 1099s, or receipts for missed deductions. On Form 1040X, you will report your original figures, the changes you are making, and the new corrected amounts. It's important to include a clear explanation of why you're amending the return to avoid delays or confusion. If you filed your original return electronically and your tax software supports amendments, you might be able to e-file your amended return. This can speed up the process. Otherwise, you will need to print the form and mail it to the IRS. Along with the form, send any supporting documents like corrected income statements or schedules. Be sure to keep copies of everything you send for your records. The IRS usually takes about 16 weeks to process an amended return. During this time, they review your changes and verify the supporting documents. If you are owed a refund, it will be issued after the processing is complete. If you owe additional tax, it's best to pay it when you file the amendment to avoid penalties and interest. If you do not pay promptly, the IRS will bill you for the amount due plus any interest and penalties. When amending a return, avoid common mistakes like not including a detailed explanation of the changes, forgetting to attach necessary supporting documents, or filing after the deadline. The deadline for filing an amended return is generally 3 years from the date you filed the original return or 2 years from the date you paid the tax, whichever is later. Also, do not try to amend returns for years that are no longer eligible for amendments. To make sure everything goes smoothly, review your original return and all new information carefully. Follow the IRS instructions precisely and keep copies of all submissions. Using tax software or consulting a tax professional can help ensure your amendments are accurate and compliant. This way, you can correct your tax records properly and avoid legal or financial issues down the line.